Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show some methods to fix voicemail not working on iPhone. So, before you start, you need to know the voicemail is a carrier feature, and they are the ones that set it up. The carrier decides if they support visual voicemail, or standard voicemail, and your account has to be provisioned by the carrier for it. They will set it up for you and will give you a default password that you can change. Method 1. Make sure that voicemail is set up on your iPhone. Open phone and tap on the voicemail tab to ensure that voicemail is set up. If it is not already set, then tap on Set Up Now. After that, follow instructions to set a voicemail password and choose a record greeting. Method 2. Try calling your voicemail directly. Open phone, then navigate to keypad. Now, press and hold the number 1 for a few seconds. It will call your voicemail. You can check your voicemails here. If it cannot connect to your voicemail, then contact your cellular provider's customer support. Method 3. Make sure call forwarding is off. Open Settings. Scroll down and you will see the phone app. Tap on it. Tap Call Forwarding, then ensure the toggle is set to off. Method 4. Toggle cellular service off and on. Open Settings. Tap Cellular. Toggle off cellular data. After 30 seconds, toggle it back on. Go back voicemail and check if you still see an error. Method 5. Switch on and switch off airplane mode. First, force close the phone app if it opening. After that, open Control Center. Tap the plane icon to turn airplane mode on and disable all connections. After 30 seconds, tap the same plane icon to toggle airplane mode off. Reopen voicemail and check if you still see an error. Method 6. Restart your iPhone. This is the most common method that can fix many errors, including voicemail errors. So I suggest you try restarting your phone before proceeding to other methods. Method 6. Check for and install a carrier settings update. To check, go to Settings. Tap General. Tap About. If there is an update, you will see a pop-up notification, then tap OK or Update to proceed. If there is no update, you will only see the About screen. Method 7. Set date and time automatically. To do that, open Settings. Tap General. Tap Date and Time, then toggle on Set Automatically. Go back to voicemail and check if you still see an error. If still, then go to the Control Center and tap the Wi-Fi icon to disable it. Now try using voicemail. Method 9. Reset iPhone voicemail password. Go to Settings. Tap on the phone. Tap Change Voicemail Password. Enter the new password. If you forgot your current voicemail password, you'll have to contact your wireless carrier. Finally, if none of the methods above work for you, it's time to reset your network settings. To do that, open the settings of your iPhone and go to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart.